Merry Christmas, everybody! Vlogmas day 25. Oh my god. Going to be a lot of cooking, a lot of eating. I'm going to visit my grandmother also. What she's cooking, she's doing all the cooking today. I'm not. I'm just gonna do a part of it. So I will see you guys in my cooking video. So bye. Alright, I'm going to bake a cake. I'm gonna try to bake a cake. My husband on the other hand is going to make a pizza. So now we'll see you when the batter is done. Yes, you were, and then I see a fufu song.
Just a big song, big tune.
And then I say after fufu song. You remember? Alright guys, I forgot to video when the three of them was done, the macaroni, the pizza and the mac and cheese. So you guys would have to wait until I can open the oven again. So I will see you later. Alright guys, don't watch the mess in the background. I'm still cleaning up. But my cake almost burnt, like here and here, but it's ready, it can eat. So I'm gonna take a bite and tell you if it's good or not. Mac and cheese looks good. It needed more cheese, but I'm gonna taste it. Alright? Taste test. It's very good. Hot but very good. Should I let it cool? Good. It needed more cheese and a little bit more salt. Better look next time. I can't show this one, people. Can't show this one. The pizza was burnt. Crust is too thick. Nope, nope, nope. It's okay. The taste is good, but it's burnt at the bottom. Crust is too thick.
Say you take no vegetable.
See, take vegetable.
I guess. Mr. Christie.
Eh?